You can't see it, but you can hear it. And it's hard to tell where that voice is coming from. Somehow, that's worse. That feeling was designed deliberately. This is what sound design actually is. And this is why I think the first encounter with the Regenerador in Resident Evil 4 Remake is so terrifying. When I started out as a sound designer, I was just trying to make cool sounds without thinking to what sound design actually is. Designing a whole experience and helping the story to hit as hard as possible. Imagine that you have to design a space or a building for a specific purpose or for a specific group of people. You would use light, colors, shapes, and materials to help your idea feel more alive. Well, colors, lights, materials, etc. are a metaphor for the tools we use in sound design to help the story, to evoke feelings and enhance the immersion of the player. It's a complete project. Interactive audio in video games gives a great opportunity to drive narrative in a non-linear way, and I think the encounter with the Regenerador is an interesting example of this. How Capcom sound designers made this encounter so special. When Leon walks into a specific area, a music cue is triggered. Then you see the Regenerador walking, and since that moment, you can hear its voice. The cool thing here is that after seeing it, while moving around, we should be able to tell where the voice is coming from. Here, the panning of the sound is very light, while occlusion and distance attenuation don't really help us to locate the source of that voice. Which might be unrealistic, but it's very effective because it doesn't give you a clue about where the gray guy is, enhancing the sense of danger. When you open the lab's door and walk in, the music stops, creating silence, space, and contrast to prepare you for the encounter. It is only when you collect a key card that the Regenerador comes in. Okay, enough talking. I'll leave you with a clip of the gameplay. Try to pay attention to the parts I highlighted. Headphones are recommended.
Ma che cazzo sei?
Just like an architect doesn't only choose cool materials, sound designers don't just make cool sounds. They build whole experiences. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Ciao!